It's now time for everybody's favorite PEZ game, What's in the Bubble Wrap. Yeah. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. This is the first yo-yo, to my knowledge, that PEZ ever came out with. And it is made of metal. And if you look, good old PEZ Peppermint, the starry candies. Ooh, let's see it here. Made in Germany. So there is the marking on it. And as you can see, they have a rivet that goes through it, holds the string in place. And then the string is in here. Now the paint on this one is absolutely beautiful. You can see the PEZ block lettering there with no defects. Really cool, really rare PEZ dispenser. Well, not necessarily a dispenser, but PEZ item. I'm not sure if this was a premium or something that they sold in the boxes as well. The counter display, if you will. But we do know that this is a cool yo-yo. Hey, and it still works! Alright! So now you know. So until next time...